Good morning. Today's session is session 6, that is Roman numerals. Okay, you have already studied the Hindu Arabic numerals, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. Okay, but here in Roman numerals, we are using different symbols to represent. That is, the different symbols are IVX, LCDM. IVX, LCDM. You can see these symbols in front of your classroom. Did you notice it? That is, did you notice it? Okay, that is 1, standard 1, standard 2, standard 3, like that way, standard 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now I will tell you how to write a Roman numerals. Okay, some rules are there, I'll tell you. Before that, I will tell one thing, that is, first you take this IVX, LCDM. Okay? From that, I is, what is I? I is 1, then X is 10, and C means century, 100, and M is 1000. So they are all friends, no? 1, then 1 into 10, 10, 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, 1000. So we can take them together. That is, I am making them special friends. IXCM. So study this IXCM very well. That is, IXCM means what? IXCM means 1, 10, 100, 1000. 1, 10, 100, 1000. Next one, 5. V. The symbol V denotes number 5. This one is 50. And this one is 500. That is, our next friend group is VLD. Next friend group, VLD, that is 5, 50, 500. So we have two groups. One is IXCM group and another one is VLD group. In IXCM group, 1, 10, 100, 1000, and VLD group 5, 50, 500. Study this well, then only you can write Roman numerals. Okay? Then some rules are also there. I'll tell how to follow the rules to write these Roman numerals. Okay? Next, rules. Rules means I already told the symbols, that is IXCM, VLD. IXCM and VLD are two groups. Okay? So first one, the above symbols are used for addition and subtraction. Okay? Addition and subtraction to write. That is, if you want to write a bigger number, you want to add this or subtract this one. But I will tell which number which symbol you can add and which symbol you can subtract from each of these letters. Okay? So first one, look at this number. This is I plus I, that is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Then IV. I means 1 and V means 5. So 5, it is not 5 plus 1. I wrote here 5 minus 1. Why? Because if the smaller symbol is left side of the given greatest symbol, then it means subtract. Okay? So 5 is bigger than 1. So write 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Next one, first you take the first front group, that is IXCM. IXCM can be repeated a maximum of 3 times. That is example. That is we can write I 3 times only. I. That means the number 3. You can't write I. That is 4 times you can't write. You can write only maximum of 3 times, means you can write 3 times only. So next one x, same way you can write x only. And you can write xx because only 2 times is there. So you can write xx or you can write x. But you can't write what I told you. Can't write x. You can only repeat each letter 3 times. Okay. Next one, that is the example here. XSX is equal to 30. CCC is equal to 300. MMM is equal to 3000. Okay. The next one, take the next friend group. That is, who is the next friend group? VLD group. So take the VLD group. Okay. What I told, V is 5, L is 50 and D is 500. So take that VLD group. This group can be used only once. That is, these symbols can be used only once. What does that mean? That is, you can't repeat these symbols. Okay, you can write only one time. You can't repeat this symbol. You can write 5, but you can't write 5. It is wrong. Okay, similarly, you can write L, but you can't write LL. This one is wrong. You can write D. You can't write DD. Is wrong. Clear? These are the 3 rules. Then some more rules are there. First you do one thing. Take your book and write all these in your notebook. Okay. After that, I will tell the next rules. Clear? Next rule is rule number 4. That is, first you take these 3 symbols IXC. IXC can be used for both addition and subtraction. Okay? We use IXC for addition and subtraction. That you can see it here. IXC. These symbols are used to add and subtract. IXC. Clear? Okay. That is here. X11. X means what? X means 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. That is, the answer is 12. Next one, CX. C means what? C I told you it is 100. 100 plus 10, 110. If it is XC, what happened? XC means X is 10 and C is 100. That is, 10 is less than 100. And what I told you, if the smaller number came first, then you want to subtract it from the biggest number. So XC means 100 minus 10. That is equal to 90. Clear? Okay. Next, take each one from this. I. The symbol I can be added. Symbol I can be added or subtracted from V and X only. That is, I is only making friendship with VX. IVX. What is that? IVX. So study IVX. The next one is XLC and next one is CDM. So here I can be added or subtracted from V and X only. That is, for example, 5, 1. Here I is added with 5 because the smallest number, the smallest symbol came after the biggest symbol. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Okay. Then next here we are subtracting 1 and 5. That is, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 because 1 is less than 5. Okay. Here also same 9 and 11. Next one, X. Take the next one, X. XLC. Symbol X can be added or subtracted from L and C only. Example, LX. LX is equal to 50 plus 10, 60. Then what about XL? X is smaller than L, so subtract. 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. Next CX. CX is C is 100 and X is 10. X is smaller than C, so we want to add, that is 100 plus 10, 110. Then here X is in left side, that is 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. The next one, CDM. Seventh rule is CDM. That is symbol C can be added or subtracted from D and M only. That is CD. CD means C is smaller than D. D, what is D? D is 500 and C is 100. So, C is smaller than D. That means subtract CD. Look at here, CD. Subtract 500 minus 100 is equal to 400. If it is DC, what will happen? D is 500 and C is 100. C is in the left side. Sorry, C is in the right side. So, 500 plus 100, that is equal to 600. Then next one, MC. M is 1000 and C is 100 and the smallest number is not in the left side. It is in the right side. Right side means add. Left side means subtract. Okay, if the smallest number is in the left side, subtract. Smallest number is in the right side, add. That I will write here. Okay, there is no space. After rubbing this, I will write. Okay, so remember that one. Take your book and draw this chart in your book and write all these rules. Okay. Now look at these examples. First one, 1200. That is, it is in Indian system and we want to convert it in Roman numerals. Okay. So 1200 we can write 1000 plus 200. 100 plus 100. Okay, 1000 means, what is 1000? M. 100 C. 100 again C. So, the Roman numeral is MCC. Next, how to convert Roman numerals into Indian system. That is M, D is here. First M, 1000 plus next M, again 1000. Plus next M, again 1000, plus D is, what is D? D means 500. So, our answer is 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000, 3500. Okay.